Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add custom icons to your Logitech MX console. Let's begin. Start by opening up your Logi Options Plus app. I'm using a Mac here, but you can follow along on Windows as well. The steps are the same. Select the Logitech console keypad and select the profile you want to create the icons for. For this video, I'm adding customized function key icons, so I'll use the general profile. Create a new page by clicking on the plus icon below the keypad on the screen or by clicking the next number. Set your keys accordingly. I'm going left to right, so I'll set them as such. Select the key on the keypad and hover towards the system action column on the right-hand side. Since we're adding function keys, we're going to have to map each key separately. Go to the keyboard section and click on keyboard shortcut. A pop-up on your selected button will appear. Add your respective key as done here. Feel free to add a new page as needed. Once all your keys have been mapped, it's time to create the custom icons. I'll be using Canva for this. Open Canva and create a new icon. I'm using iOS icon for this one and start adding your respective elements. I'm using Canva's built-in graphics as well as some out of my own weird sense of humor. They're all available on the Google Drive in the link in the description. Now, once you've created all your icons, it's time to export them. In Canva, you can't select the maximum size when exporting batch images, so I'd recommend you export each one at a time. This is because the maximum size of each icon in the Logi Options app is 150 KB. Once all of your icons have been added to a folder of your choice, move back to the Logi Options Plus app. Click on the first button and the pop-up will pop up. Click on the icon and you'll be taken to the icon screen. Here, we're going to add our images by using the browser button at the top. Select your image and voila, you've got a custom icon. To remove the text on the screen, simply hide it by clicking on the single eye icon here. Go ahead and do these with the remaining images. As you can see, I ran into an error in image 10 because the size is larger than the 150 KB requirement. I've exported this image separately and it's uploading just fine now. Finally, as you're adding the icons, you can see that they update in real time on your keypad. Adjust and fine-tune accordingly. That's how you create and add custom icons to your Logitech MX console. Thank you for watching and subscribe to see more videos like this.